I'm Charlotte Grimes. I'm the night chair in political reporting at the Newhouse School at Syracuse University. When you've actually done something, people have a little bit of faith in that you might know how to teach it and pass it along to the next generation. I think that actual being a practitioner is essential in the academy, and particularly for night chairs. Two major projects. One is called Democracy in Action, which is a collaborative project that takes 130 Newhouse students from all sorts of disciplines and puts them on the streets on election day to go to 60 different polling places and capture vignettes of voters talking about, why do you come to the polls? What does democracy mean to you? And it's literally democracy in action. And I started a program a year ago, the Robin Toner Program in Political Reporting. It honors the late Robin Toner, who was a Newhouse School alumna and the first woman to be national political correspondent of the New York Times. Sadly, she died at the young age of 58, and we now have this program to celebrate her life and work, and we awarded our first $5,000 Toner Prize in political reporting. It was a surprise to sit down and actually realize that you go to the polls that often, but we will be covering the elections again, and I'm hoping this time to build a network of other night chairs who might be able to join us in Democracy in Action so that we make it democracy in action across America. I think I'm most disturbed about journalism today in that there's too little journalism. There is far, far more opinion and blather and very little, increasingly little of the fact-based, verified, impartial journalism that allows people to make informed decisions. What excites me about journalism is so many new opportunities. With technology, with young people coming up with all of the new skills already of using social media, it's part of their life. We've got so many more ways that we can tell stories, that we can get stories, that we can create good, fact-based, impartial journalism that strengthens democracy and enlivens the civic life.